And we're adding this Mitsubishi Electrics MHK2 wireless controller. As you can see in the box, it includes the interface and the controller itself. Usually I'll start off by installing the batteries to the control, which will automatically turn it on, and it'll prompt you to connect the receiver. This is your receiver. It connects to CN105 port on the actual handler, and I'll show you how to get there. We'll start by removing the vane cover for the unit. There are 2 screws located at the bottom underneath the vanes. You'll pop this little guy out and unscrew this. Next, you will pull on the bottom of the unit and loosen it up. There are 3 pressure points on top of the air handler that you must press down in order for this to unclip. And it all comes out in one swoop, uncovering the electrical controls and the evaporator core. Interface ready to go, wired in to CN105 connector. You will find it by pressing this button here and open up this little circuit board here, and you will find CN105. Plug it in, close your lid, run your wires through the inside of the unit, and mount this anywhere. It includes a sticky pad which allows you to stick it anywhere. As you can see, we've mounted the interface on the left side of the air handler, running the wires through the back. Once your receiver is hooked up, you'll notice it'll have a red light. You will then press the tab that says connect to the left of it. Long press until the light turns blue and orange, and then it'll start flashing green. Connect receiver. Press connect receiver and you'll start a countdown. What I usually like to do is check the green LED. If it begins to flash fast, that means it's communicating. Success. Once you've successfully connected it, you'll press done, and then you'll come to your receiver. This is very important, guys. You gotta make sure that you press this button right here one more time, which will make the green LED stop flashing. Once the flash stops, that means that this receiver is locked to that controller. And we just replace this cover the same way it came off. Place the 2 screws, little tabs go back on here. Close the lid and you're all done.